Well, Atmiya Vidyarthigale, so welcome to the next session of integral calculus. In the last few videos, integration definition, integration formulas, and results on integration, like sum or difference of functions, ಕೆಲವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. I hope. Now in this session, let me to look at the methods of integration ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ನ ಹಲವಾರು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ certain problems which you cannot simplify further and integrate by using the basic formulas. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತರನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ evaluate integral sin of ax plus b into dx. Sin of ax plus b into dx. One problem. Now sin x is good. What is the integral of sin x? Minus cos x. Now I am evaluating the integral sin of ax plus b. Carefully observe these substitutions now. ನನಗೆ sin x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತು, sin of ax plus b ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ax plus b ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Put ax plus b is equal to some other variable t. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ t ಇಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now look at the problem. Sin of ax plus b ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ax plus b ನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ t ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ t ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. ಹಾಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು dx ಸಹ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ a into x is a x ಗೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಗೆ 0 is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ dt by dx. Correct? Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ dx is equal to 1 by a into dt ಅಥವಾ dt divided by a. Now this problem is ready for integration. Therefore, the given integral becomes sin of ax plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin t. ax plus b get t. What is the value of dx? 1 by a into dt. Remember, 1 by a is a constant. Keep it outside the integral. Integral of sin t into dt. Right? So 1 by a, what is integral of sin t? Is minus cos t plus c, constant of integration. Now replace the value of t. So this should be is equal to, the given integral becomes minus 1 by a cos of t. T is ax plus b plus c. ax plus b plus c. Which is the value? A very simple integration. Now we take one more. Another example. Second problem. Integral of cos of ax plus b into dx. Let me do this is the second problem. What is integral of ax plus b? Ax plus b is variable. Let me substitute for that now. Let ax plus b is equal to t. Differentiate this function with respect to x. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a into differential of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus b is 0 is equal to differential of t with respect to x and dt by dx. As normal, a is equal to dt by dx ಅಥವಾ dx is equal to dt divided by a. Now the integral reduces to integral of cos of ax plus b is cos t into dx is dt divided by a. Right, 1 by a is a constant outside. Integral of cos t into dt. Very simple one. Integral of cos x is upon the sin x. 1 by a sin of ax plus b. Sin of ax plus b plus constant of integration. This is the suitable answer. Right? I hope now you can follow these problems. Shall I look at one more problem? Another problem. I am solving few problems. Secant square ax plus b into dx. Let me do some one more problem. So here what I want to substitute? Same procedure. Here changes illa. Let me put ax plus b is equal to t. What is its differentiation? A into differential of x is 1, b is 0 is equal to dt by dx अथवा dx is equal to dt by a. Now substitute all those things. Integral of secant square t into dx is dt divided by a. Now write 1 by a as a constant outside integral secant square t into dt. So result 1 by a integral of secant square theta is tan theta tan t plus c. Replace t by ax plus b. T इरो जाके ax plus b बनेगे 1 by a into tan of ax plus b plus c. गमना एक नोडी important type problems. इवेल्ला formula करने ट्रीट ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay. And look at one more. Same ಅದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Integral of cosecant square ax plus b into dx. Similar procedure, similar method. ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. So what is ax plus b? I want to substitute. Put ax plus b is equal to t. This is the suitable substitution required. If you differentiate this, a is equal to dt by dx अथवा dx is equal to dt divided by a as that of the previous problems. ಹಳೆಯ problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Now the problem reduces to cosecant square t dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ dt divided by a as before. Right, 1 by a as a constant outside the integral 1 by a into integral of cosecant square t into dt. Cosecant square t into dt. Correct? Now 1 by a, what is integral of cosecant square t is minus cot t plus c. What is the value of t here? ax plus b. So which can be written as minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b plus c will be your answer. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ax plus b ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ a ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1 by a ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1 by a. ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್. I will take up one more moment. Integral of secant ax plus b into tan of ax plus b into dx. And go to formula integral of secant x into tan x under secant x. So now I can substitute ax plus b is equal to t. Put ax plus b is equal to t. So what is the value of dx? Atha a is equal to dt by dx. Somewhere dx is equal to dt divided by a. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Therefore integral of secant ax plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant t into tan t dx dt by a. Take 1 by a as a constant outside the integral. 1 by a into integral of secant t tan t dt. What is integral of secant x into tan x? Is secant x 1 by a secant t plus c, constant of integration. Now replace by value of t, replacement is 1 by a secant of ax plus b plus c. Maybe this is suitable side now, right? Now these are certain important problems I'm solving. Remember, those should also be remained as a formulas. And here, integral of sin f x plus base papa minus 1 by a cos of x plus b. Integral of cos of x plus b 1 by a sin of x plus b. Integral of secant square x plus b 1 by a tan of x plus b. Integral of cosecant square minus 1 by a cot of x plus b, and so on. Got it? Write down this and I will give you few more results for going first time. Now I will continue few more, right? Continue my like integral of cosecant ax plus b into cot of ax plus b into dx. Same procedure. Let me substitute ax plus b is equal to t. Put ax plus b is equal to t. So definitely differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ a is equal to dt by dx. Otherwise dx is equal to dt divided by a. Very simple value. Now replace all the things in the integration. Cosecant t cot t. Cosecant t into cot t. What is the value of dx? dt divided by a. 1 by a constant achade badiye. Integral of cosecant t into cot t dt. Remember, integral of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x. Minus 1 by a cosecant t plus c, constant of integration. Replace the value of t. Minus 1 by a cosecant of ax plus b plus c. This will be the answer, right? So I come across almost of all the things. Now let's check. Okay. Look at one more, right? Integral of e to the power of ax plus b into dx. Integral e to the power of ax plus b into dx. Got it? So let me substitute ax plus b is equal to t. Differentiation of a into differential of x is 1, b is 0, dt by dx, अथवा dx is equal to dt divided by a. Replace those things. Integral of e to the power of t into dt divided by a can bring us 1 by a into integral of e to the power of t into dt. What is the integral of e to the power of x? Is e to the power of x only. So answer 1 by a e to the power of t plus constant of integration. So 1 by a e to the power of t and raised to ax plus b plus c, constant of integration. This will be simple answer. So ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And I will come across one more. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Integral of 1 by ax plus b, 1 by ax plus b into dx. Same substitution. Let me substitute ax plus b is equal to t. A into differential of x is 1, dt by dx. Or dx is equal to dt divided by a. Resubstitute in the given problem. So the problem becomes integral of 1 by t into dx and rest apart. dt divided by a. Write 1 by a as a constant outside the integral. 1 by t into dt. 1 by a into log mod t plus c, because integral of 1 by x is log x. Integral of 1 by t is log of modulus of t. So what is the final answer? 1 by a into log of modulus of ax plus b plus c. This will be the final answer. Right? So ಇವು ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು shall I take a list of results? Note ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ನೋಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I will write f of x in the first side and I will write the integration. Integral of f of x. ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Now this is the list of formula you must remember. ದಪ್ಪ right? ಮೊದಲನೇದು sin of ax plus b. ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇವಾಗ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ. ಎರಡನೇದು cos of ax plus b. ಮೂರನೇದು secant square of ax plus b. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು cosecant square of ax plus b. And fifth one, secant ax plus b into tan of ax plus b. Okay, write the results. Results ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? Integral of sin x is to minus cos x. So sin of ax plus b is minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What is cos x? Sin x. So integral of 1 by a sin of ax plus b. What is secant square x integral of tan x? Secant square x plus b is 1 by a tan of ax plus b. What is integral of cosecant square x? Is minus cot x. So this should be minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b. What is integral of secant x into tan x? Is secant x ax plus b is 1 by a secant ax plus b. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? I have ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ. ರೈಟ್? secant ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ here is f of x and integral of f of x. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾನು. cosecant ax plus b into cot of ax plus b ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Correct? So what should be its integral? Integral of cosecant x into cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1. So that is to say minus cosecant x. So ax plus b ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? minus 1 by a cosecant of ax plus b ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Got it? So here there is next 2 e to the power of ax plus b. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್? 1 by a e to the power of ax plus b. What is 1 over ax plus b? 1 over ax plus b integration ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this should be is equal to 1 by a log of modulus of ax plus b plus constant of integration everywhere. Got it? So ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ I come across certain important results. ಕೆಲವು important results ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. And this is a list of formulas what I have proved here. Right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? So ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. Look at this. The value of b does not play any important role. b ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ the value of b ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಥರ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ sin 3x minus 1 by a cos 3x. So b need not to be considered. ಅಥವಾ b ನನಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So now I can set few examples here now. What is integral of sin 3x? Sin 3x in formula ಎಷ್ಟು? minus 1 by 3 cos 3x. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So what is sin 3x plus b? 3x plus b. 3x plus 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Number ಇದ್ರು nothing to worry about. Got it? See now I can also get one more. Integral of secant square 5x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್? This should be equal to 1 by 5 secant square ಗೆ tan 5x plus c should be the answer now. Can I take certain examples? Right? ಕೆಲವು examples, ಕೆಲವು assignments ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Produce some assignment for this session now, right? ಒಂದೆರಡು assignment ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, you try those things now. Evaluate. Okay, ಮೊದಲನೇದು sin of 5x, ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ cos of 3x minus 2, ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ secant square 2x minus 1, fourth ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ cosecant square 3x. Because substitute ಮಾಡಿ otherwise you can directly write the results. Problem number 5, e to the power of 3x plus 1. Problem number 6, e to the power of 5x minus 3. Problem number 7, e to the power of 8x. Problem number 8, secant square agidalva cosecant square of x by 2. I can easily consider that the value of a is 1 by 2 here. Problem number 9, secant 3x minus 1 into tan of 3x minus 1. This can be considered. Problem number 10, secant 5x into tan 5x. 1 by 5 secant 5x perfect answer. Cosecant of 2x minus 5, cot of 2x minus 5 can also be considered as the next problem. And one more problem, cosecant 8x into cot 8x. So we have got to solve these problems as an assignment in this session, and in the next session ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ 3 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸು, secant square, look at value, sin, cos, secant square, cosecant square, secant tan, cosecant cot ಆಗಿದೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, sin cos ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ tan x ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, cot x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, secant x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, cosecant x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And in the next session I will solve all the 4 problems and their coefficients also. Got it? Solve these problems as an assignment. Thank you.